So in my last clip, I was a bit surprised over the first part that was very grainy. It was like the bitrate of the footage was very low. This is shot with an A55, so Samsung, with steady shot on. So I'll just see if it's the same now as before. Previous one I was filming with the HEVC codec, the 265, and I had to convert it to 264 before I could edit it. So maybe that was one of the reasons why it was so grainy. But yeah, so this is a test. Is it better or worse? So yeah. Okay, let's try the steady shot a bit. Okay, let's run a bit. And also I need to try it without the steady shot, how much it destroys the image or the picture quality. So this is without steady shot. Holding my hand pretty much straight out with the phone, no gimbal or anything. So okay, let's try to do some running. Like this, you know, like the magic in between those subjects, and it's good. Now the lingonberries is coming up in Swedish forests. I have a lot of blueberries as well. Maybe. And also I know that you cannot have the steady shot on when it's 4K.